Good afternoon and welcome to Trade of the Day. Today's date is the 22nd of April 2015. To start today's trades off, we've had a lot of trades today, guys. I think in total it's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different trades that could have been taken today on the system for the opportunities within the trading plan. So the first one that we had was the pound yen. We had pound yen trade just in here. You can see on the sell zone within the trading plan, bearish trend for the week, taking the sell zone here. You can see, guys, into the sell zone, barely bridged above it, all the way down. I mean, it's gone down further than 20 pips, but you can see you would have got your 20 pips easily out of that particular trade. The next sell zone up here, we can see that this one was stopped out. Okay, so on the pound yen today, we had a one winner and one loser, so you would have been break even for pound yen today. The next trade that we had was the euro dollar. So euro dollar came into the sell zone here. You can see, I think the level was 107.81, that particular level there. So getting in at that particular level, you wouldn't have come anywhere near your stop. You would have been fine. Yeah. So then it will come down 20 pips. No problem at all. You can see, you guys, if you left the trade a little bit longer, you would have seen how far the market's come down. But isn't it great looking at it in hindsight? The next trade that we had was the dollar yen. Oh, not the dollar yen, the dollar Swiss. Beg my pardon. You can see in here the dollar Swiss 930 into the buy zone. Obviously been bullish for the week on the dollar Swissy, so taking the buy zones only. You can see at 9:30, I think the price was 95.07 on this particular trade. You can see markets rocketing up there. This was also on the back of some unscheduled news out from the Swiss National Bank. Okay, so that was the SNB sort of saying that the accounts held by pension funds of confederations and enterprises related to confederations will now be subject to negative interest rates. Okay, so obviously negative interest rates being bad, therefore the Swissy weakening there, and you can see the market rocketing up. I believe the time was around 1 p.m. GMT. Then we had the next trade was a euro yen. The euro yen sell zone again. You can see in here just how easy again this 20 pips was made. You would have got in here and the market's spanked down 20 pips really easily there. Okay. The next trade that we had was actually an important trading zone. That was on the Aussie dollar. So I believe the level of 7,800 that we gave out on the trading floor. You can see I think it's bang in the middle of this sell zone. It's at the level of 7,800. I mean, it's barely bridged the top of the sell zone there, and the market's just kept on dropping. Yeah, so really nice trade on that particular. The next trade that we have was a Kiwi trade, so the New Zealand dollar. You can see in here this sell zone just here. It's hit the sell zone. I believe this is a little bit early in the morning, sort of 8:30, 9 o'clock. You can see the market's come down very easily. That particular one was 15 points. Yeah, so we do say to our clients, anywhere within sort of the 10 to 20 pip range, look to take your profit out of the market. Last but not least was the cable trade. You can see in here, I believe this is about 12:15. Triggered the zone. You can see the market's coming up here, and you would have been a very nice 20 pips out of the market on that particular one. Now we did actually have an extreme zone trade hit today. It was just on the Euro Swiss. Okay, so to show you this, you can see the Euro Swissy here. I think it's come within about 0.1 of a point of the extreme zone, and look how far the market's reversed. It's just incredible. These extreme zones. If you want to know where a market's going to stop, you look at the extreme zone. Okay, so a lot of pips on the market today. I mean, I think there's 130 pips in total. Yeah? With just sort of the one loser on the pound yen. Okay, so with these unscheduled announcements as well, if you want to know what the information was, then guys, that Platinum clients, as you all know, there's an institutional news feed on there. Use it. That's the information that I'm reading from right now for the SMB. Yeah, so please use that information. It's very critical. But that was the trade of the day today. So thank you very much for listening, and if you took all those trades, well done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and tune in for more trade of the days. Thank you.